What is going on, guys? Cube here, and today I'm back with another video. Today's video, I got another unboxing of cubes and things. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, guys, so this is a 5-cube unboxing, and so I guess let's get started with this one. This is the free one they sent. So if you order from CubingOutLOud anywhere around Christmas, they send you a free cube as like a Christmas present. And I ordered this on Boxing Day, or the 27th, somewhere around there. So they sent me this free cube. It's the Z cube, but apparently it says Magic Cube. I have no clue what it is. So I guess that's... Oh no. Yeah. Okay, let's see what this is. This looks weird. What the heck is this? Oh my gosh. It doesn't turn very good either. Yes. I have no clue what this is. What the heck? They have like, it's not like a picture cube. They have this random picture here. What is this? I'll have to search up how to solve it or something. I have to search up what it is, for Pete's sakes. The only one that's actually, like, I can, blue side there. I guess it's the blue side. It has blue on it, so I'm calling it the blue side. And this side here. So, that's the only really sides I can tell. But, yeah, this is Magic Cube. I'll get on to the next cube. Okay, guys, camera kind of died there, so I had to wait like 15 minutes for it to just get enough juice in it to run. Oh my gosh, during an unboxing, of course, right? So we just finished this Z cube, Magic Cube, whatever this is. That's what it says. So yeah, that's what I'm going off of. Next up, let's unbox this thing. I guess Chi Warrior W. Oh, not again. I'm gonna make so many guys. I'm gonna make so many of you cringe. I'm sorry. We're gonna open it through the... Yeah, there we go. Okay. Pretend the top thing never happened, okay? It's perfectly good. Don't unsubscribe, please. Please. Don't do it. Don't do it. This is the cube. It has like a printed on logo. Ooh, it's like textured. I don't know. It's like a textured stickerless printed on logo, so you can use this for blind. First turns. Okay. Catches quite a bit. Oh, very tight though. That's probably why. Corner cutting. Yeah, about there. But again, it's really tight. But yeah, overall, it's sandy. Pretty sandy. Yeah. I can't really do an honest first impressions, and it's so tight. I mean, like, you can't corner cut or do anything at this tension. Like, this is the cube that I use. These are the tensions on it. Pretty loose. This is my backup main that I use. Those are the tensions. These are tighter tensions. But yeah, these ones are really loose though. But that's just how I use them. So, and then going from that to this, I mean, it's the same all the way around. It's really not loose at all. But yeah, it's really sandy. Oop, I messed up. Yeah, overall, I mean, if it's loosened and set up and stuff, I think it could be a very nice budget cube. Like, not my main at all. I'm not expecting it. I wasn't even expecting it to be close to my main, since I do use the GTS. But, next cube, let's go with, which one should we go with? Let's go with the other budget one I ordered. It's the new Thunderclap. Not the old one, the new one. AKA the Thunderclap V2. Oh, that was so simple. Why can't they all be like this? Look, it closed. open. I didn't rip it this time. You guys will be proud of me. Yay. Nothing else in the box. Pan flip. Things. Cube in a container box. Opens like this. Drop the cube first. First impressions are very droppable. Tensions are actually good. Reasonable, I mean. Pretty good. So yeah, this is the Mo Thingy Thunderclap. So yeah, let's get the first turn. I've wanted one of these for so long. Oh, this is really nice. It's actually a really nice cube. It's just a little unstable, I guess. Is that like? Yeah, it's just a little unstable, but it turns really nice. Corner cut's really nice. Yeah, very nice cube overall. Good first impression, just a little unstable. Yeah, this is the Thunderclap version 2. Wait. Okay. Yeah, that's the Thunderclap version 2. Yeah, very nice cube, actually. Way better than this budget cube, but I guess it's really, this one's really tight. This one's not so tight, so you can actually turn it better, because it's like, looser than that. Okay, moving on. These are the cubes that are actually more expensive now, and are not budget, so... Moyu magnetic Pyraminx, please be satisfied. Yes. Perfect. Here it is. Okay, so first thing I'm noticing, it has yellow instead of white. Okay, I've never had a cube with not white on it. My old Pyraminx, this X-Men Bell right here, which just has nothing on it, because yeah, that one had white instead of yellow, but this doesn't. So magnets are, oh, what? Okay, this needs setting up big time. Yeah, this definitely needs setting up. Oh wow, it feels really dry. It's so dry. It's so dry. Yeah, it definitely needs setting up. Like, it's not, I can tell right now it's a good Pyraminx, but it's so dry. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'll be definitely putting some lube in here. Yeah, for first impressions, not so good. Very dry, but yeah. That's a Moyu magnetic Pyraminx. Magnets, not very strong. Definitely not as strong as the X-Men Bell. This one, even though it has no stickers on it, it's actually not dry. And I can turn it really nice. It feels good to turn. But, yeah, I'm hoping this one. I heard the reviews and people say that this is basically the same. But I really need some lube, so I will be putting some of that in. And the final cube. The one I was most excited for, actually first, I have to show something special. These are going to go in the cube that I'm about to show. Magnets. These are 50 and 42 4x2 millimeter neodymium magnets. Neodymium disc magnets. Yep, so, and 42 strength. So yeah, these are going to go in the cube. And I'm about to show right now. So I'm going to be magnetizing it. The cube I am going to show, or the cube I'll be magnetizing, is the Volk 3, Mr. Denton the Great Manders. Shout out, by the way. Denton Manders, shout out, shout out, shout out. Because one shout out in hockey goes one shout out. How do you open... what the... I can't even open it. Because one shout out in hockey equals a shout out on the YouTube channel. There we go. There it is. Hard box to open. Okay. So let's see. This is the actual, like, first, like, actual packaged cube. These other ones have just been, like, just in the box, just chilling. This one comes in plastic wrap and everything. Under here, just a bunch of pamphlets. Things that no one needs. Let's just take a look, because I've never had a Volk before, not even a Volk Power or anything. So I'm just kind of curious. Let's do it quickly. Wait, what's this? Is this a sticker? No, just the card. Stronger than strong, it says, alright. Focus. My camera's not very good at focusing up close. And this is the Volk sticker, which I'll be putting on my laptop. Matt's Volk, with a message from Matt's Volk, which I'm not going to read. Matt's Volk autograph. Probably a solution to the Volk 3. Isn't that one the same solution as it is to the SM or Gear Cube? Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Isn't that one the same solution as it is to the SM or the GTS3 or this cube or any cube? Isn't it the same solution? Gee, I have questions. So yeah, those are those cubes, everything. And into the actual cube, put all this aside. On the floor is fine with me. Camera's about to die, so let's get this over with quick. Unpackage it. Turn it, first impressions. Pretty much just like my friend's Volk, which is Dento the Great Manders, or amazing, however he told me to tell him, Denton the Amazing Man, I don't know, whatever he said. Okay, Denton, you know I mean well. So yeah, shout out to him. Yeah, he has one of these. Feels pretty much the same. Very smooth. Yeah. Tensions are pretty tight. Probably gonna need to loosen those. Yeah, definitely need to loosen those. But yeah, since my camera's about to die, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And I'll be magnetizing this, and I'm probably doing a review on the magnetic Volk, magnetized by me. So yeah, you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Here are all the cubes I got. Those ones, that one, this one, and this one. The Volk, the Thunderclap, the new Thunderclap, actually. The Warrior W. The X-Man, or the X-Man, the Moyu Magnetic Pyraminx, and the Z-Cube Magic Cube thing. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, hold on. Plus, I got magnets. Let's go. That makes a world of a difference. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.